I was looking for a good, safe, easy to carry life jacket for my toddler, and we've had this for about this is our second summer, so 2 years now, and I love that it comes in this mesh bag. We just pack it away when it's cold weathers here, so I love that it comes with this. It's also easy to put in your suitcase, and I just think it's just super cute. It folds up really nicely, so I do like that it's compact. It does have a secure fit, and it does fit from 1 to 8 years old, so it is adjustable. It has the straps. It also has the one under the crotch that you can zip up or buckle in as well. And I just love that it's just easy, it's portable, it's just like a good comfortable design. My toddler loves it, also loves like the sharks on there. It is great to wear, lightweight, and it's just fun, kid-friendly design that my kid just absolutely loves, and most of his friends do too. And I would say that it's not an actual certified life jacket, so that is one of the biggest things that I do want to say that could potentially be a con. So obviously at all times you want to supervise your kid, but it's not the certified version. But it may be tight on bigger kids as well, but it fits my 2.5-year-old perfect, and he had this when he was a year and a bit, so he has grown into it, and I do love it because it is lightweight, and it's just really great for them to have just as that security vest. And again, I love that it comes in this, so it's good to travel with. So the vest is ideal to introduce those swimmers and water safety, and it just really helps build confidence. A week into our vacation not too long ago, our little one was already learning to swim and paddle by himself, so I absolutely do love this, and I do highly recommend it. But I do want to let you know that, do your research, but again, we love it, and I can't recommend this enough.